Hello to YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you my new BB gun. ukarms, M60, M30, and the clip fully loaded, holds like 8 bullets. And this is just a little something that I created, like a simple medicine bottle. You can poke a hole in the bottom and cut a pen top off. And hold on, this is what you can do with it. Holds BBs, takes BBs out, stuff like that. But we are going to just target practice a little bit. But hold on, I gotta get my cat out of the way. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit of target practice. Hit one. Hit two. Hit three. 2 more bullets. Four. It's my last bullet. So yeah, it's a pretty cool gun. I stretched my spring out a little bit, and it makes it more powerful and all. And yeah, like I said, this is my BB holder. It can hold BBs, and you just cap it up when you're finished with it. But yeah, thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, thanks.